Hello, good morning ulit sa inyong lahat, mga kakusina. After I finished cooking our almusal for today, by the way, I would like to greet you. Today is, can we say, Happy Ninoy Aquino's Day? Well, anyway, today is holiday, so we don't have any pasok sa office, but I will go to the office maybe for 2 hours because meron po kaming gagawin pa para matapos na po yung mga requirements na sinasubmit namin. So, yung isang kasambay namin, yung nandiligaw niya, nagdala siya ng ito, red pepper, red chilies kanina. So marami po to, no? So naghiwalay lang. Tapos she's asking me kasi natikman niya yung ginawa ko doon pa na sukang pinakurat. Ito yung spiced vinegar, no? Spiced vinegar siya na gustong-gusto niya kapag yung ulam namin are grilled pork, grilled chicken, or fried fish like fried tilapia, fried bangus. Gustong-gusto niya, ang sausawan niya is the vinegar na pinakurat. So today, I'm going to make our homemade pinakurat or spiced vinegar. So, most Filipinos love kasi pag kumakain sila, lagi silang may dipping sauce. So, as of now, siyempre, ang gagamitin natin po ay is a regular vinegar lang. So, this is, I think this is 1 liter. Binawasan ko lang siya ng, I think, half a cup or 3/4 of a cup. Then, meron tayong 1 clove of garlic. 1 garlic. Then, we have ginger. Then, we have onions. And, of course, the chilies. And also, we do have, we will going to put some patis para dun sa kanyang pampaalat effect. Okay, let's do this. No, we will not be using all of the ingredients. We will just use maybe 2 times of this ginger. Maybe 3 cups of the vinegar and 1 cup of the patis. So, ayusin ko lang po itong mga ingredients. Then, pag hahalu-haluin lang by using the blender para ma-fine yung mga ingredients. Pero may mga matitira po na hindi natin padadaan sa ating blender, no po. Bali, yun po yung magiging palamuti sa loob ng ating pinakurat. So, stay tuned lang po. Ayusin na natin. So, our very first step to do is let's put 1 cup of the vinegar into the blender. Four pieces of garlic. Let's add the 4 cloves of garlic. 1 thumb size ginger. 1/2 cup of the red chilies, or approximately 26 pieces of them. So, i-blend po natin siya hanggang ito ay maging fine and smooth. So, idagdag po natin yung 2 tasa pa ng suka, vinegar, so i-blend po natin. Pagkatapos nating ilagay yung 2 tasa pa ng additional vinegar, then ilagay na po natin yung ating 1 tasa ng patis. Yan. At pagkatapos, i-blend pa natin ng konti. So, kunin na natin po yung ating lalagyan at saka funnel. So, ilagay na po natin yung mga extra chilies na hindi na-cut. Talis lang yung tangkay. Mga bawang na na-slice. Ang ingay ni Rochelle, naririnig ko siya hanggang dito. Ito po yung kapitbahay namin. At saka yung ating mga sibuyas. Yung ating mga sibuyas na na-slice. Yan. Okay. We're about done. 2 maliit na sibuyas lang po to at saka another 4 cloves of garlic po slice. Okay. Shake po natin. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Alright. Tapos tikman natin ng konti. Kuha tayo ng kutsara. Let me taste it a little. Oh! Oh! Sarap! Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Masarap siya. So guys, manghang pa. So guys, if you like my video today, please like it and share. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. And of course, katulad na lagi kong sinasabi, lagi po tayong mag-ingat. Keep safe palagi. God will bless us. Thank you very much for watching. Eto na po ang aking pinakurat. Homemade.